What's good, squad? Welcome back to another day. I got something exciting to show you. Check this out. It snowed. It's a winter wonderland out here. And Ava and I are about to go do some sledding. First time of the year. It's really slick right here. This is ice, be careful. Whew. Where are we going? Over here? All right. Going to hit our first sledding hill of the season. If it's gonna be cold, it should at least snow, because then you can have fun. Dump the snow out of it. You all right? Your hands cold?
My hands are frozen.
All right, let's go in. Come on.
Wow.
All right, you got curbside service right here. Hey Ava, you want to try some of this black water? Come here, let's try it. I haven't tried it yet. It looks like Coke, doesn't it? It tastes like water. But it has a bunch of minerals in it. Fulvic trace minerals. It's really alkali, which is good. You don't want acidic water. You want that alkali water. It's got a really good like pH balance to it, and it's full of electrolytes. It's good. Okay, so it's all snowy outside. What do you got to say? You're so nasty. Ava, I love you, baby. I'll set this right here since you're gonna be a goon. All right, for real now, serious moment. Forget the camera. Quit giving me the raspberries. I love you. Quit it. I'm about to not see you for like 3 days.
No, you're not.
I know. I'm not gonna see you.
Was I with you for 3 days?
4 days.
Mm.
So, I love you very much. You're my number one in the entire world. I love you more than anything.
Can I have this?
No, you may not. It's a
Why?
note for work.
I want this.
Please stop grabbing things and pay attention to what I'm saying. I said I love you. Ow.
I want that.
You may not have it. Get out of here. I got one of your hairs in my mouth somehow.
I want this.
Oh, baby, quit.
No, I want it.
Stop grabbing stuff. You're going to mess up the computer. That serves you right.
I want to play the Subway Surfer game. Plastic crate under it in the front, Bo.
God. Oh no, stop. There's a crate under your car. Stopping. Alright, I'm getting some gas up here. Gas station. It's freezing. Finally feels like winter here though. Can't complain. That was hilarious. That Jeep was driving off with one of those black crates over there. Got stuck under the front of it. I was trying to tell them they're still over here. Side of the road trying to figure out what the hell it is. I was trying to tell him, but I couldn't get to him in time, so I filmed it instead. Woo! This dude's stuck. Quit flooring it, bro. Slow and steady wins the race. On the little bit of snow falls and everyone forgets how to drive.
It's brutal out here.
Yeah, it is.
I'll tell you something. I was not expecting this when I woke up this morning.
I was.
I didn't watch the news.
I watched the weather. So the lottery jackpot has risen to $1.3 billion. The Powerball lottery is at $1.3 billion. That's billion with a B. This actually creates a really funny logistical problem for the lottery. I just saw a bus drive by and there's only 3 digits like open, so it's just 999. And there's like billboards throughout the city that are like digital readout, but there's only 3 spots, so it's all just maxed out at 999. I'm guessing this is something they did not anticipate ever happening. So that's just like a design for a drone like body, essentially. It's like a design for like a chassis, essentially.
Yeah, basically.
Cool.
Yep. It's called a frog that's illegally parked.
What's that?
Toad.
Nice.
That was a fire department connection. Oh, no.
Alright, so we just got done with lunch. It's frosty. So everyone always tells me, man, you gotta show more like behind the scenes of like how you make the how-to magic videos on your vlog channel. That's what people want to see on your vlog channel. It's really not that exciting. Sorry if this is really windy. It's really not that exciting. It's just me going to a store like Walmart and buying a bunch of supplies. There are like no carts here. Where are all the carts? Out there.
Not bad.
Have a good one. Like for instance, I just need a blow dryer thing for the new How to Magic video. So obviously, since I have absolutely no need for a blow dryer, but maybe for Ava one day. Yeah. Definitely not that one. That'll do. Alright, so I got supplies and I ran into Veronica in there. And yeah, this is a weird coincidence day of running into people I know out in public. Again, I'm sorry if this is extremely windy. Alright, I'm back home now. Bringing these supplies in and then, whoa. It's It's icy. Almost just fell. Okay, so I'm running out to get dinner, and I gotta return this hair dryer I got. It's crap. It's not gonna work. I need a more powerful one. And yeah, it's food time. All right, so Travis and I just got up here to Schlotsky's Deli. I haven't been here in a long time. I remember this place being amazing. Oh, I am so full of food. Food. Thought you were quitting.
Nope. I thought so too.
It's gonna crush your head. I think I'm gonna end the vlog right now. It's been a cold day, I know that. Today was a great day, but tomorrow is gonna be even better. See you then. Remember to stay positive and laugh at life. It's hard to snap in gloves.
Whole squad on the real